Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday.
I can't wait.
And today we have Performance Energy, the limited edition GFuel PewDiePie.
Whoa.
PewDiePie GFuel Energy.
Extreme. Focus.
Exactly.
That's
So this is interesting.
If my Focus station wagon had
Yep.
500 horsepower, that'd be extreme.
Exactly. Ooh, that would be kind of cool. I'll focus that. My let's look at the important factors here. We got ourselves 0 calories, 60 milligrams of sodium, and 0 sugar, 0 protein. So not much in there. And then we got 210 milligrams of potassium, 45 milligrams of vitamin C, 0.4 milligrams of B6, 25% of niacin and 0.6 micrograms of B12. We also got 300 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can. So looking at the flavors, we have tart, cherry, blueberry, broccoli, and kale.
We'll put broccoli on my
That's the
rack,
flavor.
right?
That's the flavors that are in this. So that should be kind of interesting. But we're also getting the energy from green coffee bean and green tea extract.
That's cool.
So we'll see how these taste.
I'm in favor of that.
Yeah. So we will open this up and give it a try. Ooh, already fizzing out.
Seems like a better.
It's nice and clear, no artificial colors there.
Yeah, it's just artificial flavors. What's it smell like?
Didn't have too much of a smell.
Does it have much of a taste?
A little bit more on the blueberry side.
I'm glad it's less than on broccoli side.
Yeah. Huh, that's an interesting taste. I mean, nice, clean on the palate and stuff. So I think that's pretty good.
Okay. Any hint of broccoli?
I'm not really picking up on any.
That's a plus one. I don't mind being there, I just don't really want to taste it.
But it's nice, clean. The nice cleansing of the tongue with little bubbles.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I like it. Big fan of blueberry.
Yeah, definitely on the more of the blueberry side, you get that little hint of cherry.
I like it.
That's pretty good.
That's a good blend.
I like that.
I'm a fan.
It ended up going together, so I'm guessing it's like a very limited scale on the kale and the broccoli, because I definitely ended up picking up on that.
Which is good. I don't
Yeah.
like you to really want to. I don't
Broccoli flavored energy drink all the way.
The properties of the good from them can be in there. I just really want to taste it.
But I like that. That nice berry, what is a berry? I don't know what a berry is. A berry mix. That's pretty good.
This is genius.
Yeah. Well, yeah. So what do you think of that?
I like it. I would definitely grab one again. Where'd you find it?
These came from Publix. So they ended up
They
being.
have a neat variety of.
Yeah, it was buy 2 for something. I forget the exact price on it, but it ended up being pretty good. So,
Cool.
but yeah, that was. I actually like
Surprised.
that.
I would actually grab that
Yeah.
again.
Because
Did a
that
good job with
it's definitely more on the heavy berry flavor. So I mean that ends up being really good. I like that. So I can
it's a
go
good
pick that
blend.
up again.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Mhm.
I was impressed.
So maybe a little bit of ice with it,
Yeah.
and that would probably make it taste a little bit
Well,
better.
you know, and with that taste too, you almost could run that kind of a designation, very ice.
Exactly.
You know,
Yeah.
It's kind of got that real crisp, clear taste
Yeah.
to it, anyways. So you could kind of run with that. But yeah, it's kind of in that flavor of some drinks we taste.
Yeah.
One that I've tried is, you got those ice sparkling drinks at Walmart.
Yeah.
They sell their own caffeinated sparkling water ones.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's interesting.
Milligrams. They're like a peach and strawberry,
Mhm.
but very similar in taste. Kind
Okay.
of that sparkling water taste. So that's cool though. I like
Yeah.
it.
So PewDiePie edition for the win. That tastes pretty good from GFuel. So
Where would we go
Nice.
with that? To the top?
I'd say it's definitely SRT 392. I don't think it's on the mango scale
and
quite, but
no, definitely not mango.
But I mean, the quality of the taste and everything is really good. I definitely like that. And I mean,
We
hey,
don't-
0 calories. That's pretty good
we
too.
don't really watch PewDiePie, so it's
Yeah.
not it's just a really good product.
We know he exists. That's
Yeah.
about it.
It's just a really neat, it's
But-
a really good product.
But that is a great product of energy drink that
I'm sure
you should
he's
definitely
in the
try.
lab, with the goggles and everything, doing it himself.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
But no, it's a good probably
Yeah,
keep
it's
it
good.
too.
Exactly. So I would definitely try it out, guys, if you haven't, because it definitely has a really good taste.
I would
So
definitely drink one again.
yeah. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys here next time. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.